and got some of the Team Billet Austin guys. Caught some of these guys in traffic. Came to play for this weekend. All roads lead to the DFW. They got all the heavy hitters out here. He got new wheels. One day I'll build another billet truck. One day. Back there, now they got the big boys up here. So made it inside. Appreciate the guy up front that let me get through, because I'm not gonna be able to make it tomorrow. I just wanted to come in and get content, honestly. And he talking about they're real strict up here. The people from Texas Motor Speedway is real strict, so appreciate him for letting me go through, because he was sending everybody else around. But like I said, hell, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. I just want to come and get some content, you know, pre-show type deal, and fucking get out of here. Got 20 minutes in and out. This bitch is gonna be lit. I have a feeling it's gonna be super lit. You got TIS out here, drop shop. Damn, that boy truck loud as shit. Team TIS. That's what it is. Sheesh.
Do you think, what's up, my boy? How you doing?
What you doing? Where your truck at? Who's at the shop? I passed by earlier. That bitch was still open.
My cousin. Where you?
Which one did you bring?
My red one.
Oh yeah, you in SA trucks, no?
Yeah, you can see right here.
I seen you when I was coming in. I was had to try to finesse my way inside. Well, guys, we done made it. We out here at Bandas Y Trocas. They let me in. I'm gonna get my car washed so I don't get bothered for a little bit. Which you do need a wash, but shit, it's a hell of a lineup out here. We got Bay out here. Shout out to these guys. They're gonna detail the car or wash the car. Got all this damn rubber on here from last night. Sheesh, that bitch is clean. Trash the concaves. Sheesh, that bitch is clean too. Regular ass new. Sheesh. I always like these intros, I ain't even gonna lie. I love that brush look on this design. Fucking sick. Royal trucking, just trucking. Damn, which one is it, my boy? From Michigan. Sheesh, these boys came good ways away. Royal trucking. The intros on this spin. It's clean too. It's a sick ass color. Wouldn't mind finding out what the color thing on this one is and painting the step slow this color. This bitch is beautiful. Sit back too. Got a nice touch. Oh yeah, the floor raised this bitch back. Then they gloss painted this bitch here. Sick. All the plastics. Okay. Michigan boys out here fucking around. it out? Ah, man, I want to see my wheels. This is the one that I sold my 30s to. This is one of his trucks. He didn't bring the one that has the 30s on it. This bitch is beautiful though. Sheesh. Oh. What's up, man? You put a shit ton of money in that bitch.
Appreciate it, bro.
You still just trucking or you got out?
That's what I'm going for now.
Yeah. Shit. They better let you in. Only shorty I know. That bitch clean. We're putting everybody on. That bitch is clean too. Single cabs out here fucking around. You really make me miss a single cab now. That bitch is clean. That bitch is clean too. And Los Primos. Oh yeah, check out these bitches over here. Ain't seen no BS in it neither. Forces. His bitch nasty. Look at that paint though. Sheesh. Hell yeah, we dipping niggas. This bitch is bad. I just watched them niggas. This nigga put this bitch together. This bitch is stupid. Fuck yeah. I miss my MTW. Bro, this bitch is bad. I watched you post this, so this hoe is bad. I love these wheels.
On IG, huh?
Yeah, that day with HIGHLYFE.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you. This bitch is singing clean, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
I was watching like, damn, he put that bitch together quick. And that bitch clean.
Yeah, bro.
You paint yourself?
One of my buddies, my homeboy right here.
He paints?
Yeah, his dad, he painted for me. We got it done in a fucking like 2 days.
Bro, it was a must, huh? You had to come out here, huh?
Yeah, I had, bro. I had to. We had to go. We got gold package, so might as well, bro.
Might as well show out. Shit.
Yeah.
That one yours?
Yeah, it's a homie, bro.
Man, that bitch is clean. Give your props on that home. Y'all make me miss my single cab.
I popped my doors open, but fuck, my shit's all dirty.
Oh, we the outside good enough. We good.
Yeah.
This bitch right here though.
Yeah, this whole done did. Both in and out.
Oh, you gonna have all the baddies over here, huh? Sheesh. Y'all from? Where y'all from?
Amarillo, Texas.
Amarillo? Oh, yeah. Hey, y'all, them Amarillo boys fucking around, yo. Hey, they got some hard-ass shit. Prestige trucking.
I just got my seats done too, but it's because all my interior's dirty.
Yeah? It's, you put it together quick enough, you just didn't have time to clean it.
Well, the door panels are still at getting the interior.
Getting wrapped and stuff?
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, that bitch is clean. Your dash gonna be that same color too?
Everything's gonna be red.
Look at, they came to party, guys. If y'all over here, the party tent is at the Prestige tent, you know? Come party with the boys. Show Amarillo boys a good time. How many trucks did y'all bring down?
I think it's like, I wanna say like 10.
10?
Yeah.
Y'all all from Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Amarillo and Hereford surrounding area.
Sheesh. Hell yeah, that's fucking nice. Is the regular original seats or you did some out of something else?
These are the regular ones. But they're dirty right now. I fucking put the truck back together like not even.
Shit, man, that's good dirty. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That ain't even like crazy dirty. You got,
I didn't even have time to put the window regular. I had to put a piece of it.
He said that window gonna stay up one way or another. But nah, yeah, I give you your props, my boy. That bitch.
Shit, bro.
Man.
I had to come out, man.
You had to. Because these are like my last wheels. It's just you got the ones with the point on them.
Yeah,
so that shit made me miss my wheels. And then the guy I sold my 30s to is over there.
You sold your 30s?
You know, I sold my 30s. It was, he traded me his 8s plus some cash.
I want to trade these. I barely got these, bro, and I want 30.
Bro, you sound like me.
I want 30.
You sound like me. That's the same thing I did. I waited 15 weeks for my 30s and sold them a month later to him. And he put them on his other truck and didn't even bring the truck. I like, damn, bro, I want to see my wheels again. But you want to trade these for 30s? Guys, anybody got 30s? Want to trade for 8s? 8s all the way around?
Not even like 2 months old.
And I can vouch for it because he posted the most. He just got the most. He just put the bitches on the truck. Y'all hit him up. He's in Amarillo, but I'm sure he'll drive for the right deal.
Yeah, for the right deal, for sure.
Y'all hit him up.
That 10 bro.
Woo.
They're my brothers.
This one right here?
Yeah. 8 all the way around.
Damn. Amarillo, I'm telling y'all, the Amarillo boys fucking around.
40,000 miles.
That's it?
Yes,
So what, y'all trailing them?
yeah, we traded them.
Yeah.
We bought this one from Dallas. But
I think I've seen this
it
truck.
was on a 24-26 combo.
I thought it looks familiar, but also it looks like that one from Team Bullet. He has the same look to it. Yeah. At first I was like, what the hell? He got out, and then now you just saying it's your brother. I'm like, okay, that makes sense.
That's basically us right here. Got a couple
Sheesh.
members out working, but
Shit, can't miss work. That's why I came today, because I'm not gonna be able to make it tomorrow.
no,
No.
you got work.
I wanna come party with y'all. I might try to sneak away.
You get out early, man. Go through.
This is fucking cool. This is cool. fucking know this shit good. Ain't got the little key car. Yeah, y'all definitely gonna have another one.
Tony, bro. Tony, brother.
Kendrick.
What's up, Tony, bro?
This nigga. Sheesh. You know you out here playing with that motherfucker. Sheesh. And then got the Modelo thing in the back. Whoa. Sheesh. You out here fucking around, fucking? Came out of retirement or what? This bitch is bad right here. Already, nigga? Let him make it a show first. Sheesh. This is the last time for real. Big ass fucking radio. Sheesh. That brushed. That all brushed. It went drastic. That's the one Extreme LSX did the swap on, that Firebird Trans Am. Hi, Victor. How you doing, buddy?
I'm okay.
You have a good drive here?
Yeah.
This your favorite photographer right here, guys.
I'm not nobody's favorite.
And then he don't even got no intro merch for me. He sucks ass.
Wow, I didn't know you were gonna come.
I didn't know I was gonna come either. I
thought you were gonna be in hibernation still.
I'm still kind of am, but this is my coming out of hibernation.
Oh, this is you coming out?
Yeah, it's my coming out of hibernation.
Oh.
Not coming out, buddy. Okay.
I just wanted to clarify.
Yeah, we're clarifying that.
Good.
Got the GTX forged. That bitch is bad. Boy, cat eye nation out here heavy. Damn sure do make me miss my fucking cat eye. Adrian's new dually. It's bad. The Nelly with the 4Gs on that home. Then you got the drop shop's wife dually. That bitch is sick. I'm glad I'm getting to see a lot of these in person now. Let's believe this vlog gonna be lit. I don't give a fuck. Hi, Miss Dooley. That's that wheel over here with Adrian's big ass truck. Clean ass Tahoe. Eso y esto. That bitch chopping. Fuck. These wheels right here definitely make me miss my shit. That's the last pair of wheels I had on that bitch. Well, they got a lot of OBSs out here lifted stupid hard. Which one? This one? Or this one? This one or this one? This bitch is clean.
I gotta get this nigga into it.
Which one? Adobe Premiere Pro. Sheesh. These guys taking care of damn near the whole show. The guys, the people that watch mine. I take care of the whole show, man. Hell yeah. Right? And they ain't even from this area. All these clean ass trucks. And then you got Bay. I need to put the camera on the charger though. About to die. Now we're on the phone, so now we got wide angle. Get up closer on some of these vehicles. We got the haze on their home. it's gonna be a badass show tomorrow, and I will not be here, more than likely. I've already got told to come back though. They trying to get me fucked up, so I ain't trying to be drunk out here. Just get you out. Look at Tiny. Uh-oh. Tiny made the DFW. Hell yeah, they done made it. And y'all showing out too.